Okay, I found a site that can generate auto subtitle for free. Have you guys heard of Veed? No? Alright, then let's get to it. First, go to Google. On the search bar, type in Veed. Okay, you should get a result like this. If you notice there's any sponsor link, try to stay away from sponsor link. Go to the actual link and make sure you check the URL. It's actually www.veed.io, I believe. So click onto that. Now we have this page. So what I want you to do is click on to start for free. Okay, you don't have to download anything. It's all in the browser. So let's just click on this, start for free. Okay, now it will ask you to sign up. Okay, you can do so right now or you can do so later on, but if you want to download the final product, the video, you're gonna have to sign up. But for now, let's just click it out and let's just do some tutorial how to do that. So first, let's drag the file over, the file that I want to edit. So let's listen to our file. How to make trendy subtitle like this. Okay, so I don't need this part here. Let's just cut it out. Okay, you can just click and delete. And then let's just edit this part. And then click and delete. Now we have the short version of it. Let's listen to it. How to make trendy subtitle like this. Okay, now you get the idea. Now let's add a subtitle to it. So on this side of the bar, let's go down to subtitle. And let's just go auto generate the subtitle. Just click onto this and create subtitle. Now here's the thing about this subtitle that's auto generate. Once it's auto generate, they did all the timing for you. So if you're happy with the timing, you're happy with everything, you don't have to do anything else other than just edit the style. Like for instance, how to make trendy subtitle like this. So you know that this is the auto generate subtitle, right? And it really did all the timing for you. So you notice the timing. How to make trendy subtitle right? But here's the part. It didn't pick up this part. You notice? It go like this. Like this. Apparently it didn't want to generate repeated word or caption. So this is what you get. So if you want to emphasize this part right here, then you're gonna have to manually customize and input the subtitle yourself, because obviously we cannot do that. So I want to show you something really quick that you can customize how you want to display your subtitle. So let's just move this up here. You can move the subtitle. Let's go down to style, click on that, and then here you have several different fonts, and let's make this bigger to 60. One thing about these fonts, each one have their own customized animation. So if you were to change to, let's just say, this font here, how to make trendy subtitle like so it's different. This one is highlight, right? So if you like this font, you can change the animation still. So let's go back to the font that I liked earlier. For instance, this one, and you notice the animation is this way. Just go down to animation, and you can change the type of animation that you like. Like for instance, I want it to be single. I just go down to impact. Okay, now click on that. Now go back. Now you press play. How to make trendy subtitle like this. Okay, you see? So there's many ways you could mess around with on this on style. you can change, you know, effect, animation, and just go down to text animation and then just change to whatever available here. Now, I mentioned earlier that it didn't pick up the light, so you're gonna have to manually customize it. So in order to do that, I found a workaround that you can do. You go back to karaoke. Okay, you see how it kind of highlight one word at a time. You go back. Now I want you to go down to text. Okay. Now you can, before you use that, you can just use this part here. Click on this and go to show comment, and you can mark each part. Like for example, right here, you can mark and add a comment. Let's just say how, and then enter. But you need to sign up, so you can choose to do that, or you can just use text and do the same thing. So just add text, and then let's bring this up. You have a text here, and then you use text as a reference. So search for, let's see, let's just drag it a little more. Okay, let's search for how. So right here, let's do a cut. When you're done with the marking, I want you to go back down to subtitle. So this is where you slice up the subtitle. So you look at here, so right here, do a cut, and then next one will be here, do a cut, and then next one will be, if you look at right here, you do a cut here. So like. Now, after all this cutting and then marking each word, you will get something like this. How to make trendy subtitle like this. So let's remove the text. Let's go back to the timeline. Okay, now you can just remove it. Now you get something like this. How to make trendy subtitle like this. Okay, now you can also style the animation. Okay, you can just add drop in. How to make trendy subtitle like this. So that is what you need to do when you want to customize this area right here that the auto generate cannot pick up. Another cool thing you can do is also add a element. You see, this is so many other things. I like to add like a sound wave. How to make trendy subtitle like. Let's change the color. So there's other pretty cool stuff you can add to it. to your video, you know. But for now, this is the final video. I'm done. So let's export this out. Go to done. And then go down to standard or higher quality. This is the paid version, obviously. So my free version, I just go standard. And if you want to remove the watermark, that's gonna cost you. So if not, click on export video. Here we go. You start exporting it. You check the final result. Here's the final result. How to make trendy subtitle like this. If you're happy with the video, you can download it. And of course, you have to sign up to download. That's why. That's another thing. And you could keep on editing, and so on. So you want to remove the watermark, you're gonna have to go to a paid version, which is right here. There's many options here. And notice it says remove watermark, and you get higher quality and so on, and more options. But there's a free one, which is which I'm using right now. You just need to sign up, and you could just download this video for free, but it will come with a watermark. Okay, so this is how you do auto subtitle with Veed. Alright, I hope this helped. I'll see you guys next time.